channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch another video. Today I'm going to be bringing my first fall of the year look, and I'm so super excited because I got to use my Morphe palette again. I haven't used it in so long. I really like how this look came out. It's definitely giving me fall vibes, and so is the hair. Like, everything is just so fall. And if you guys are interested on how I completed this look, please stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. So before we start, I'm going to go in with my Primers Up eyeshadow primer. I'm almost out of this primer. This primer is really good. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply this all over the lid. A little goes such a long way with this primer because it's so thick and creamy. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using a lot of different shades from this palette. Names aren't listed on this palette, which really sucks, but I do have the names on my computer, so I'm going to be listing all of the colors that I use in the description box. So make sure you check the description box, and I will be putting them in order from when I'm using them. So first I'm going to go in with this Beauty Creations brush. It doesn't have a number or name, but it's a dual-ended brush, and I'm going to start packing on my transition color. There's so many transition colors I could use in this palette, so I'm just gonna go with whichever one I feel is best. I want this to be really blown out and really smoky with just so many different shades of browns and burgundy. So to get that really intensified color, you want to start off light and then work your way up the color ladder and just go light to dark. Now with the same brush, I'm going in with my second transition color. And this is my first time using this shade, and it's actually really pretty. It's really close to my skin tone, so it's like a nude brown for me. Now before I move on to my next shade, I'm going to go in with my Clean Colors blending brush, and I'm going to really smoke out the edges. This brush is so perfect for blending. It was only $1. I love this brush so much. I mean, it's literally like effortless. Like, it does all the work for me. Alright, now I'm going in with my MAC 275 brush, and I'm applying my third transition color. And I'm going to focus this one right on the crease. And just really work that one in. And this is going to give me some depth into my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going in with like this really dark vampy plum color from the palette, and I'm basically carving out the shape of my eyeball. I'm not blending it, I'm literally carving the shape of my eyeball, and I have hooded lids. So I'm taking it from the inner corner of my eye down and around to the other side, just like that. I'm not taking it up like that, I'm just taking it down. This is really going to define the shape of my lid. I mean, define the shape of my eyeball, excuse me. I'm going to take my blending brush by Clean Colors again, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Tone down. This is going to tone down some of the darkness too, and just make it look really gradient. So you see it's like really harsh around the edges. I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush, and I'm going to blend until my heart is content and really just smoke out this shadow. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is the bomb. I've been using it for so long, so it's literally like my go. It's my favorite liquid liner. And I don't think I'm going to do a cat eye. I really want to focus on the shadow. So I'm just going to do like a thick liner outlining the original shape of my eyelid. For falsies, I'm just going to pop on these falsies that I've had for a while now. I don't remember the style, but I got these at my local beauty supply store. Okay guys, so we are done for the most part on the eyelid, on the top of the eyelid. I'm going to go in now and use one of my Sephora wipes, which are the best makeup wipes ever. And I'm going to clean off any fallout and primer that was transferred to the bottom of my lid. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation routine off camera. If you guys haven't seen my updated foundation, highlight, and contour routine, make sure you check out the description box, or you can go ahead and click on the link that is showing to watch that video. It literally has all of my foundation, highlight, and contour steps that I do on a daily basis. I'm going to go ahead and do it off camera, and also it is round face friendly, so if you have trouble highlighting, contouring a round face just like me, then make sure you check out that video, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I completed the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in now and apply some of the lightest shimmer shade in this palette and apply it right on the inner tear duct. Alright, now I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with the dark like auburn color that I used on my lid. And I'm using my e.l.f. smudge brush to apply this. And now I'm going to coat my bottom eyelashes with my Lash Sensational mascara by Maybelline. I'm gonna line my lips first with the Ulta lip pencil. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Photo lipstick, and this is like a chocolate color. It's really pretty. And then I'm gonna top off this color with the Luster Matte Sephora lip gloss in the color Fig Luster. I really love this lip gloss by Sephora. It's so bomb. Okay, so the face is done, you guys. Like, this looks really good. It's the perfect fall look, and this eyeshadow is just giving me so many vampy vibes, OMG. So I went ahead and one curled my hair. You can leave your hair like this, like, you know, like these Shirley Temple curls or whatever you want to call it. But I just like to run my finger through it, kind of loosen them up a little. Like that, so. And then if I really want some more body, I get a weave brush, and I just like to brush the curls out. I want to go for that wavy textured look. Yes. Alright y'all, this is the completed look. This is my go-to like super vampy fall look. I always do like a really smoked out eye, and I have another one where I'm going to do like I'm going to use a lot of blacks and reds. I am so excited for fall time. I'm not sure how I feel about fall in California. Honestly, I don't really think we have a fall because it's the same like all year round. At nights it gets really cold, but anywho, this is still going to be the look that I do if I go out on a date night or if I'm going to an event during the fall season, because I do love fall. It is one of my favorite seasons, and this is just like an intro into winter makeup. So for winter you would do like burgundy like lipstick, and you do the like fall is all about browns and neutral tones, and this is what I'm feeling for fall. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe. Subscribe for sure. But if you want to see more tutorials, then go ahead and comment down below what tutorials you'd like to see. And if you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.